Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to delete the cache of your Pinterest app. So if you want to delete the cache of your Pinterest app, you can do it by using this feature of Pinterest. First you need to open your Pinterest account and click on the profile icon. Now you need to select the three line icon at the top right, and here you need to select the setting option. Under setting option you will see a lots of options, but you need to scroll down and click on privacy and data. Under privacy and data you need to scroll down, and here you will find an option called clear app cache. Click on it. After this you will see a pop-up that cache was cleared. Once the cache was cleared, your Pinterest will working fine. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to delete the cache of your Pinterest app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.